Hello friends! This time I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Vivo Y21 cell phone. First, make sure the cell phone is turned off. Then press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously. When the Vivo logo appears, release the power button, but continue holding the volume up. After that, the screen will enter fast boot mode. Use the volume button to select record. Remote, then confirm with the power button. Well, now the Vivo Y21 cell phone has successfully entered recovery mode and can be used to wipe data, clear cache or update the system.